Hi guys, so this is Stefano, the affiliate hustler here, and today I want to show you a way that you can earn $200 or more a day by only suggesting names. And not only that, stay until the end because I will show you a method that will give you all the names that will create all the names for these businesses without your creativity. Like, this is a website that creates all the names with a keyword you put in, so you don't even have to come up with ideas for names. So stay until the end. The website that you will go is called Squad Help. Squad Help is a website where you can enter contests. Like here it says, you can start. You can enter a contest to suggest names and also suggest logos, and you can do the vice versa. If you're an enterprise, you can go into this web page and view names for sale. Yes, like you put the contest and you ask for people to suggest names and logos, like the other way around. Yes, so the method is pretty self-explanatory, but stay until the end because I have a way that you can that doesn't need any creativity of you to come up with the names. I have a website that generates even 1,000 names for a brand, and even if you specify the category of the business, so it will come up with thousands of names. So stay until the end. So what you will do is obviously create an account. Here you just go to sign up, complete your details, and password. Obviously you will want to join as a creative. You just tick it here and you will join as a creative because you will want to submit name ideas, logo designs, and sell names in domain marketplace. That's what you will be doing to make money with this method. Yes, so what you do is go to start a contest. Sorry, you will go to contest, you will go to browse active contest, and here you will be seeing all the contests that are available. Yes, for example, aspirational name for video fitness program. What you will do is go, you see, like you can win the prize for winning this contest is $500 just for suggesting a name, guys. This is insane return of investment. You're putting $0, $0. Yes. This invitation. Oh, so they have tiers, like tier A, tier B. They have different tiers. So in this case, you have to get yourself to tier A in order to enter this contest. So let's go to a contest that you can enter. So for example, high quality cigarette brand name, also tier A creatives. Let me see if there is a filter where you can put that. I'm sorry, let's look if there is any filter where you can. Well, let's go for example, name for an entertainment film production and distribution company. Also tier A creatives. What the fuck? Let's go even further. Tier A, tier A, tier A, tier A, tier A, tier A. For example, this one, company logo design. You can enter this contest. You can win $250. That's insane, and you can get your way to tier A once you start winning some contests with the method I'm going to show you in the end of this video. Yes, and it even describes you what the enterprise wants. This logo design contest is seeking logo design ideas for real estate business. In order to read the brief is the summary of what the enterprise is about and what the aim of the enterprise is as a business. You need to agree to the non-disclosure agreement. What you will do is go click on this link, review and accept the NDA agreement, and start the contest and start suggesting names. Yes, so you see, you have, well, obviously you will have to watch out for these contests that have tier A status, because as obviously when you start you won't have tier 8 status. What you want to aim for is go down and look for contests that don't require you to have a tier A status. For example, this one, logo for an online deals and product reviews company, fair housing logo for commercial real estate, 90 entries. So if you win the contest, you win this prize, $250 for zero investment. Like, this is a no-brainer. You just have to suggest names, and then you have, then when you generate, let's say, let's do some math here. Let's say you, oh, I'm looking for my calculator. Let's do some math here. Yes, let's say you suggest names 3 days a week. Let's say of those 3 contests you win only 1, or if you're lucky 2. So that is $250 a week. So if you win at least 1 contest every week, you are making, for 0 investments, you are making around 1,000 to, you're making around $1,000 to $1,250 a month by suggesting name, guys. Yes, and now here is the piece. Here is the cherry on top of this way to make money. I have this page called namelix that suggests you names for the business that you're looking for. They generate short, brandable business names using artificial intelligence, so you don't have to even come up with the ideas. Do you see the power of this, guys? Like, it's insane. For example, let's go for a contest. Let's take this one, product name for a manufacturing business. Yes. Oh, this is one for tier A creatives. Let me look for the non-tier A creatives. Okay. Oh, tier A. Oh, they are all tier A. Fuck. Let me look for a non-tier A. Let's look for newest. Oh, fuck. Award amount, let's look for 299. That's because those won't be, though it's possible that those around this price range won't be tier A, required to be tier A. So let's go for this company logo design. The logo contest is seeking the logo design contest is seeking logo design ideas for reels. It's the one that we well, I'm not going to create an account, but let's say enter the namelix will ask you for keywords related to that business. So what I will tell the namelix is that it's a real estate business, real estate. And let's see what we will do, because most of these contests will require you no more than 3 words. So take that into consideration. So what you will have to do is check on the short names box. And the name styles is like, you could just play with this. I will recommend more brandable names for for more percentage of winning the contest. So you see, you have Coin Place, State Storm, Properties One. These names are incredible. Like, you only have to enter the contest, put the name, suggest the name, and if you win the contest, you have $250 on your bank. It's that simple. Like, I don't know why I'm not doing this. Like, maybe I'm going to start doing this. It's a no-brainer. So yeah, that's for this, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and yes, I will be answering your questions on the comment. So till next one, bye.